Hey everyone! So today we're going to tackle a super common research problem. What do you do when the absolute perfect book for your project just isn't in our library? In this little explainer, we're going to unlock a system that will totally change the way you find your resources. I mean, you know that feeling, right? You've got your search term all ready to go, you're hyped to get started, and then nothing. The one book you really need is just nowhere to be found. It can seriously feel like you've hit a dead end. Yeah, it's so frustrating for any student or researcher. And you're just kind of left there thinking, okay, what now? Well, we are about to solve that exact problem. And believe me, the answer is way simpler than you think. Okay, so here's the secret sauce. Your library, it's not just this one building. It's actually this huge, massive, interconnected network of resources that stretches all across New York State. And the best part? You have access to all of it. And the magic key to unlocking all of this is something called resource sharing. Basically, think of it like this. You've got a library card that works at pretty much every public college in the state. You find a book at another campus, you request it, and it gets delivered right here for you to pick up. It's that simple. Okay, so let's actually walk through how to do this step by step. It all starts with a tiny little change in how you search, but trust me, it makes a world of difference. First things first, you're going to start right where you probably always do, the Begley Library homepage. Yep, no need for any special websites or weird logins or anything, just the main page you already know. So you see that main Search Everything bar? That's where you'll start. For this example, let's just pretend we're looking for something on Agatha Christie. Just type that right in and hit search, just like you normally would. All right, now this next part is the most important step. This is where we tell the system, hey, look beyond our shelves. Look everywhere. Okay, so after you've run that first search, you'll see a little drop-down menu that probably says everything. Go ahead and click on that. You're going to see a few options, and the one you want to pick is all SUNY libraries. Now, super important, once you've selected all SUNY libraries, you have to actually rerun the search. Just click that little magnifying glass icon again to refresh everything, and just watch, you're going to see your number of results totally explode. So now your results page is going to look way bigger, right? It's filled with all sorts of books from all over the SUNY system. Your next job is to find the magic link for the book you're after. Okay, so you're going to be looking for this very specific phrase. For any book that isn't right here at Begley, you'll see a link that says, check for available services. That's your ticket. Go on and click it. All right, you found it. The hard part is totally over. Now we just need to put in the request, and honestly, it's super easy from here. Now, before you can officially ask for the book, the system just needs to verify it's you. So the next thing you gotta do is a quick sign in. You'll see this bright yellow bar pop up right at the top of the page. You really can't miss it. Just go ahead and click the sign in link over on the right. So a little window is gonna pop up. All you have to do is select MYSCC, and then just log in with the same username and password you use for everything else here on campus. Okay, once you're signed in, the system magically shows you all your options. And really, there's only one you need to worry about to get that book sent over. You should now see a box that says how to get it. And right there inside is the link for resource sharing. That's the button. That's the one that takes you to the finish line. Go ahead and click that. And would you believe it? We are already at the final step. Seriously. All that's left is to double-check the details and send it off. And this is the absolute best part. The request form is already filled out for you. I mean, how great is that? The book's info, your email, it's all there. Just give it a quick look over to make sure everything's correct, and then just smash that big Send Request button, and you're done. So you've clicked Send. Now what happens? Let's just quickly go over what you can expect and, who to call if you run into any trouble. The whole process from here is really simple. You're going to get an email to your school account as soon as the book arrives. Then you just swing by the circulation desk to pick it up. And when you're done, just bring it right back here to Begley Library. No need to worry about shipping it back to the other campus. See? Super easy. And look, if you ever get stuck at any point in this process, and I mean any point, help is always just around the corner. You can pop into the Begley Learning Commons, give us a call, shoot us an email, or even use the 24/7 online chat. Seriously, don't ever hesitate to ask a librarian for help. That's what we're here for. So think about it. Your research possibilities have just gotten exponentially bigger. you're not just limited to what we have on our shelves anymore. So the question really isn't if you can find what you need, it's what incredible things are you going to discover now that you have this power.